Mo pa nga?
Yan!
Okay, stop. Today, ang gagawin natin, magdo-drawing ng movement in a figure. Kaya ngayon, let's start.
Sakit na ng katawan.
At 5:30 p.m. today in Seoul, we had a minor earthquake with a magnitude of 2.0, which was merely shaking windows big. But as you can see here, only one house was completely demolished by the said magnitude of the earthquake. 2.0 earthquake destroyed the house in Yundong, Seoul. Rescue mission is on progress. The survivor is being rescued. He is under the table in the living room, and he is safely coming out.
Hindi, okay lang ako. Panaginip ba to? Nananaginip ako. Gumising ka, honey.